There is no money that is lost in this stadium. Ukiangalia vile tumeenda around, this construction should actually have costed over 500 million. But so far, we have only paid 231, and the contract 231 million, and the contract sum is 345. The enemy of this government has been going around circulating the wrong information concerning the stadium. That at the semi stadium, there is corruption in the construction. We are doing our work professionally. The governor is very particular and very concerned about this stadium and for the best interest of the Isiolo people and the youth of this county.
Total contract sum of this project is 345,998,315 Kenyan shillings. The project started date was May 2019. The expected project completion date was December 2020. The amount paid to debt was 221,622,838 Kenyan shillings. That is 66.9% of the total project. That was the amount paid. And the completion status so far, what you see here, stands at 67.0%. This 67.0% was what came out of the financial analysis and the status report by our county public